Hey Glam Mommies, I'm back. My name is Tanya M if you don't know me, aka Diablo Verde, and welcome to my channel. If you love wigs and makeup, go ahead and hit the subscription button down below to become part of the Glam Mommy fam, and then make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I upload new videos. So I was asked to do this review, and luckily I'd already bought it because I knew somebody's going to ask me to do the review for this. It is Red Carpet Premieres Macaron Girl new line. It's a new line called Macaron Girl, and it's basically wigs with a bunch of colors. So this is very unique. I got the color Scribble, which let me open up and show y'all. I just love colored wigs, guys. Like, I love them. Even though I don't always wear them, I still love them. So this is the color. It's red to yellow to lime green to blue. So it's basically a rainbow gradient. Very 69-ish. That's his name? 6'9". I said 69. Very 6'9"-ish. Let's talk about the cap construction. You have two combs by lace parting, which is on the side, on the right side. A comb in the back and adjustable straps. I'm getting a little bit of shedding right off the bat. This is in the style Macaron Girl style too. So this is from the Macaron Girl line with the styles too. And then the color is called Scribblers. So this is what the stock card looks like. The colors shown are cranberry orange with the purple at the end, and then pink lemonade on the other side. That's pink lemonade. It shows you different colors on the back. Triple berry looks really nice. I have Scribblers. And the other ones are really crazy. Firecracker looks cute. The other colors are really crazy, okay? All these colors are crazy. Before I go ahead and take her out and put her on, I just want to say, if you like the wig I'm wearing, I did do a lookbook on that. I will post the link above as a card, and also in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and view that video. Okay, so without further ado, I'm about to cut the stock card off, cut the lace off, customize her, and come back and give you my final thoughts. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I laid some baby hairs, added powder to the part. I didn't pluck it, although I do feel like it needs to be plucked, but I did not pluck mine because I just didn't have the time. But I didn't comb it out yet, but I want to show you. You really don't have to be honest. It flows really nice. Is it sad to say? I don't know if it's sad, because we are wig lovers, but I love it. It is surprising to say that I actually love her. I love the curl pattern. There is some shedding. Let me brush it out because it's tangling a little bit at the base. Okay. I said I wasn't going to brush it out, but I feel like it's tangling a little too much. So this is how she looks from me standing up. She's long, about 22 inches long. She's layered, of course. You have shorter layers in the front, which are about, I don't know, they're like 16 to 18 inches for the shortest length. Okay. So now that I showed you how it looks standing up, let's talk about the unit. So as far as the cap fitting, it's a large cap. I will definitely say that. After I cut the lace off, the cap was really roomy, and it's literally flapping on my head where I didn't glue her down. It's very much big head friendly. The hair is of a silky texture, so be mindful of that. It's not yucky at all. It's very silky. She's very bright. Not that very minimal shedding. It is going to tangle. She's a longer unit, and she's colored. She's definitely going to tangle. How much is up to you. I would just say don't run your fingers through her. Try not to run your finger through her so much throughout the day. If you decide to wear her during the day, I suggest you wear this unit at night. You would definitely glow in the club. Like, you would definitely glow in the club. I kind of like it. I like this color. I like this color. I like the whole idea of the Macaron Girl wigs. I saw one, a straighter one that I want to get. I did not see that on the website that I purchased this from, but I have seen it on other websites or coming to other websites, so I will be purchasing the straighter wig. This one, I love the color. I really, just this color right here, this combination, like if it was shorter, that's what I'm trying to say. If it was shorter, this would be bomb. I know people are gonna say she looks costumey, but if it was human hair, child, it would look like a costume wig too. I'm gonna just say that. This is a wig that I definitely might go ahead and straighten out and wear it like that. I love this unit. I'm not gonna lie, I love this unit. As far as straightening her out, let's see. She is, let's see if she's heat safe. I don't see anything. Safe for use with curling iron. It doesn't say which temperature, so it's a Futura fiber. Futura fiber usually takes high heats, but like I said, 320 to 330 is good enough. That's what I always say in my videos. 320 to 330 is a good enough temperature. So y'all tell me what you think down in the description box. If you want to see more fun, colorful wigs on this channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Also go over to my Instagram so you'll see more photos of this wig and other wigs I have reviewed. Thanks for watching. Bye.